Welcome back. I'm so glad you're here. I am Coach Julia, and today I have a fun little trick video. We are going to be doing some cartwheels. Now, I'm not going to teach you how to do cartwheels. You can only do this trick if you already know how to do them. I'm not a gymnastics teacher, but I'm going to show you a little trick of the trade on how you can do cartwheels on the ice without slipping around. So we are full on getting ready for a Christmas themed skating competition that's happening here at Skate Town in December. And one of my students is skating as the Grinch, and they're going to be doing a cartwheel in their program. So while we're in cartwheel mode, I thought I'd share you my little trick. So what we're going to do is make these little bottle cap hand straps, okay? So you're just going to need a few supplies to get started. We're going to start out with a piece of elastic that's about 1 inch thick. I'm going to wrap that around my palm so that the ends overlap just a little bit. I'm going to snip that with my scissors. You can see here that I'm giving a little bit of overlap so that when I sew it together, I have ends that can crisscross. So I'm just going to take this back to my sewing machine and sew a little square so that these ends are attached. So now I've got 2 elastic loops, one for each hand. I'm going to slip that on my palm. You can see it fits really snugly on there. Now you can find beige elastic, but it's harder to find in 1 inch thick, so I just use a little bit of makeup to color it to match my skin. Next, I'm going to grab my E6000. I like the clear or transparent version. E6000 is stretchy, it's flexible, so it works really well for a project like this. I'm going to make a pretty large circle of glue and just place that bottle cap on top of the glue. And repeat that. You'll do 2 bottle caps on this strip of elastic. And there you go. Let that glue cure about 24 hours before you use it, and then we're just going to repeat this on the other hand. So there are a number of different ways you can make these besides just the elastic thread. This is definitely the easiest one, and over a bare hand, the elastic really does kind of disappear while you're out on the ice. So this is the method I've always used, but there are people who will do it on a really tight fitting glove. And when you do it on a tight fitting glove, you can do more bottle caps. So you could do 3 or 4 bottle caps and get more grip. But for me, I found the 2 bottle caps right across the palm of the hand gives me the perfect amount of grip, and I don't have a whole glove on my hand. So for my student who's being the Grinch with green hands, she can do that, but this is the way I do it. All right, let's go do some cartwheels. So these bottle caps work like toe picks. So your toe picks grip the ice when you take off and land on a jump, and the little crinkly edge on the bottle cap is going to grip down into the ice as you do your cartwheel, or you could do handstands or any trick like that. But this, the bottle cap grips down so your hand doesn't slip out from under you when you do that cartwheel. Just make sure you get it really well planted in there before you do your trick, and you should be good to go. All right, skaters, I hope you enjoyed this one. I know it's a little bit of a fun trick, something you can throw into those light entertainment programs. So go out there and practice. And as always, I'd love to see all your versions on Instagram, so you can tag me at Skating Coach Julia so I can check out your cartwheels. If you enjoyed this, please do give us that thumbs up. And as always, I look forward to reading all your comments in the section down below. If you haven't done so yet, then hit that subscribe button and the little notification bell down in the corner so you can see all my videos when they come out. Happy skating, and I'll see you next time.